kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by DNA's Essence Semi-Permanent Hair Color. I will be telling you how I achieved this blue hue and all the pros and cons and details about it. So if you want to hear more and see more, stay tuned. Most dyes and rinses are staining to your hands and fingernails, so I went ahead and applied some gloves. So now I'm going to take the Deep Sea Semi-Permanent Hair Dye and apply it with a brush just to alleviate some of the messiness. So again, my hair is already sectioned into 4 sections, and we're just going to apply little by little in each section. As you can see, my initial reaction is I'm loving it. It almost gives like a purple hue off, but then I'm just again going to go piece by piece throughout the 4 sections, and I'm going to do this all over my head. Once I have the color initially applied, I'll go back in and rub it into my curls. I'm showing you the difference between my natural black hair and the dye. You can kind of see the blue and purple hue again. So I'm just going to continue to rub it in, twist it up, and move on to the next section. For styling, I did a flat twist style with flexi rods on the end. If you want details about that, I will link it in the description box. I actually use my DNA products on my twist out tutorial, so I'll show you guys that. As you can see, there's a little blue residue coming off of my hair initially because it was still a little damp, so make sure it's dry all the way. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna dive right into it. So I use my DNA Essence Semi-Permanent Hair Color Creamy Nutrients Botanicals Intense Color Silky and Shining Conditioning. I use the color Deep Sea 958. Here it is right here. Off top, the only con that I have, it stains your hands. I did this last night, it stains your hands. So I did use gloves applying the color to my hair, but I did not use gloves washing it out. So you definitely want to have gloves when you're rinsing the color out of your hair and also when you're applying it. Now, I do have natural black hair, so I did put a blue rinse on top of it. It did give me this blue hue. Can you guys see that? This is something that you can do without, you know, really committing to a color. So semi-permanent hair color, you can switch it up, switch your style up without fully committing to it because it rinses out eventually throughout your next 1 to 2 wash periods. So this definitely gave me that hue, that double array of color, especially when I'm in the light. You can kind of see the blue really good, but like I said, you can see it right there. But it's just like a top coat of color on top of your hair. I think it's beautiful. Definitely gonna try the other colors come fall, maybe like a burgundy or something. But this Deep Sea 958 color, it was perfect for me. It definitely just adds like a natural coat of like silkiness on top of my black hair. So like I said, the only con I have is you definitely want to wear gloves when rinsing your hair out, but I'm sure this will fade within a few days. But this is a beautiful color. My hair is still moisturized, still silky, still soft. I just did a flat twist out tutorial. If you want to see details on how I did my flat twist out, I actually have a detailed flat twist out tutorial using my DNA's you know, washing, co-washing, moisturizing, cream products like that. So I'll link that in the description box. You guys can go check that out to see how I achieve this look. But my hair is still a little wet, but I like it. Definitely just gave me like a blue hue, and I love it. Definitely not too much for my personal taste, my personal standards. Really enjoy it. So if you want something that's fun and, you know, just lighthearted but not permanent or damaging to your hair, definitely check out DNA's Essence Semi-Permanent Hair Color. I love it. Tag me if you guys try it. Tag me if you do any styles with it. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Oh, and turn those post notifications on. Where you been? Where you been, notification squad? We need you. Turn the post notifications on. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not already a part of the royal family. You don't want to miss the posts we have coming up. Stay tuned.